In this video, we explore some answers to this question: can I be a digital marketer with no experience? Well, make sure you stay tuned because I am going to give you some methods and steps to follow which can help you start a digital marketing business even if you're starting as a beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you will have some actionable steps which can help you start a digital marketing business. So pay attention and keep watching because this might be one of the most important videos that you see this week. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you do not miss any new videos. Please also give the video a like because that tells me you find these videos useful. Thank you very much. Let's get right into it. So to begin with, let me tell you there are a number of ways to become a digital marketer. While many digital marketers begin in traditional marketing roles before specializing, that's far from a hard and fast rule. There's actually no specific background experience required for you to become a digital marketer, only a specific set of skills. In fact, many people enter the digital marketing industry from a range of different roles, including copywriter, webmaster, or even social media influencer. I will now give you some methods and steps to follow to help you start digital marketing. Here we go. Here is the first step. Learn digital marketing fundamentals. The first step towards beginning a career in digital marketing is to acquire core technical competencies in SEO and SEM, analytics, social media marketing, advertising, and email marketing. Alongside these, try to find ways to demonstrate that you have the many soft and transferable skills a digital marketer should possess. Let me tell you what these include. They are leadership, strong writing voice, and a feel for the online landscape. If you're trying to pick up experience with email marketing, SEO, analytics, and so forth in a piecemeal way, it may take months or even years for you to grow a passing familiarity into a coherent skill set. Here is the next method. Learn how to use key digital marketing tools. The more digital marketing tools you have experience with, the easier it will be to become a digital marketer. Google Analytics and Google Ads, for example, allow digital marketers to measure and track the performance of digital marketing campaigns and initiatives. SEO tools like Ahrefs, Mars, and SEMrush are also essential, giving marketers the ability to explore relevant keywords, check backlinks to your pages, identify related keywords, and analyze competitors' SEO. Let me tell you some tools which I suggest you learn how to use for marketing. Here we go. Google Analytics, Google Ads, MailChimp, Ahrefs, Salesforce, Mars, Buffer, Canva, and HubSpot. Experience with an email campaign tool like MailChimp or SendGrid can also be invaluable when looking to break into digital marketing, as can knowledge of a customer relationship management (CRM) program such as Salesforce and HubSpot. Perhaps the easiest way to dip your feet in, however, is in the social media realm. Digital marketers increasingly rely on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and more to drive traffic, generate leads, and build their brands. To help develop standout content for your social media platforms, you should also experiment with free stock image sites such as Unsplash or Pexels, and graphic design platforms like Canva. Developing a following, or at least a visually cohesive style, and using social media management tools like Hootsuite, Sprout Social, and Buffer can help you stand out from the crowd when applying for a job in digital marketing. Here is the next method. Build a digital marketing portfolio. For digital marketers, putting together a portfolio presents an added challenge. Instead of simply showing a finished product, you'll need to demonstrate your processes and outcomes in a way that showcases your teamwork, planning, and strategic thinking. If you are able to include samples of published work such as newsletters, social media posts, or content marketing articles, clearly indicate your role in their creation. Did you develop the strategic plan for a digital marketing campaign? Did you write the copy? Did you design the layout, or did you coordinate the ad buying campaign? Sharing credit is important rather than hogging the spotlight. It's to your benefit to demonstrate that you know how to work as part of a team or even lead it. When it comes to sharing the outcomes of your efforts, use as much data as you can. Digital marketers traffic in hard numbers, so don't be shy about listing them here to back up your claims. For instance, I added 1,200 qualified leads via a targeted social media campaign in Q2 of 2020, or I grew organic web traffic 20% year over year. Being data forward is especially appropriate when it comes to SEM and SEO. Not all companies measure ROI across all their digital marketing strategies, but SEM and SEO adhere to fairly straightforward metrics. If you're sharing work you performed for actual clients, be sure to obtain their consent before sharing any proprietary information. If you have no work experience, your portfolio can feature the results of the hands-on exercises you conducted as part of your digital marketing coursework. Once you've got all your materials together, put them online in a glossy, well-organized package. Use this space to describe your process and the creative solutions you've devised at each step. Your online presence is also a part of your portfolio, and so should demonstrate your creativity, voice, and professionalism. If you prefer to keep your social channels private, consider launching one for a passion project. An Instagram account for sharing your surfing photography, for instance, or a blog dedicated to cooking and recipes, and including this in your portfolio as well. Let me now tell you how to make a marketing portfolio. Showcase your teamwork, planning, and understanding of digital marketing strategy. Include newsletters, social media posts, or content marketing articles you created. Use data to back up your claims. Obtain consent before publishing client work. Create an Instagram account for sharing your projects. Publish a blog dedicated to your passions. Here is the next method. Develop your marketing resume. In most cases, your resume is your first contact with a potential employer, so it pays to get it right. Here, it's best to keep it simple. Research shows that you have about 6 seconds to make your first impression, so keep your resume's layout clean and well organized and the information concise. Use bullet points where appropriate. The emphasis should be on your marketing skills and experience, and hard numbers helping, bearing in mind that your portfolio is the place to dive into details. I also recommend that you tailor your resume to each application. Look at the job posting at the company's online presence. Your cover letter and resume should match their tone. Show your personality and creativity in a way that reflects the personality of the company brand. The job posting will also reveal the company's hiring priorities, and these are the skills your resume should foreground. These skills typically fall into 3 categories. The first is marketing skills, including software skills and other technical requirements. Transferable skills like sales, design, savvy, or writing experience. Adaptable skills like leadership or problem solving. That first category should get top billing on your resume. These skills should be the first thing your eye lands on. Transferable and adaptive skills can then be cited at the bottom of the page or woven throughout. Let me now give you tips for developing your marketing resume. Keep your resume clean and concise. Use hard numbers to emphasize marketing skills and experience. Tailor your resume to every application. Show off your personality and creativity. Display your marketing skills first, then your transferable and adaptive skills. Let me now give you some methods on how to get into digital marketing. To get into digital marketing, you should develop your marketing skills and experience through a digital marketing online course, and find opportunities to build your professional network in marketing and begin looking for entry-level digital marketing jobs and internships. It's possible to get into digital marketing with no experience, but if you want to become a digital marketer, you will first need to develop the right skills and be able to demonstrate them. There are a few core technical competencies every digital marketer needs. Here they are. Search engine optimization, SEO, and search engine marketing, SEM. marketing analytics, social media marketing and advertising, email marketing, and customer relationship management (CRM). If you're wondering how to get started in digital marketing, it's worth noting that gaining piecemeal experience in all these areas could take months or even years, especially as you try to package passing familiarity with a handful of different strategies into a coherent skill set. And digital marketing degrees haven't gained much popularity in large part because the digital marketing landscape changes so rapidly. Let me ask you a question. Which tip from this video are you going to use first? Leave a comment under the video and let me know. So, all the things that I have covered in this tutorial will help you be a digital marketer. If you want help and you want to advance your online marketing skills and you want step-by-step training with experts, click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. It will give you all the digital marketing skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, click the link in the description box under the video and take a look. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you feel it was valuable, please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.